bromination of alkenes. Now this is the reaction in which bromine Br2 it is added to alkene to give vicinal dibromide. Vicinal dibromide means bromine atoms are present on the adjacent carbon atom. See here, this and this. So that's why this is called as vicinal dibromide. If it is present on the same carbon atom, it will be called as geminal dibromide, but it is vicinal dibromide formed in this molecule. So let us see what is this addition reaction of olefin bromine to the olefin. So in this case, a double bond it is attacked by Br2. So Br2 attacks at first the double bond. So in the first step it will form cyclic bromonium ion. Cyclic bromonium ion means what? The intermediate will be formed in which bromine will be having positive charge and cyclic structure is formed. So that's why this is called as cyclic bromonium ion. Now next step is the next Br atom which is left over here, Br minus. This will be attacking either this carbon atom, A carbon atom or B carbon atom. So when it attacks A carbon atom over here, then it will be leaving the bond cleavage will be like this. This Br will come at this position and this Br will be over here. So Br will be attached at a vicinal position with respect to each other, but the addition is anti because Br is attacking from the opposite side. So this is anti. Then next is when the Br attacks from this side, then this is Br is attached over here. So the two atoms are present at this position. This is also an example of neighboring group participation, because when this Br is attached over here, this becomes neighboring atom, this becomes carbocation. Now this Br is attacking at this carbon, so that's why neighboring group participation reaction. So bromination is addition reaction in which vicinal dibromide is formed. Let us study an example of stereochemistry of bromination of alkene. So in this cis-2-butene, when bromine is added to cis-2-butene, then we will get the product in which bromine atoms are added from the opposite side. So this is directly written stereochemistry, but I will write properly how this is added. So in first step it will be forming a cyclic bromonium ion, and this will be like this. So this is Br positive bromonium ion. This is a ring structure formed, and here they will be having CH3 and hydrogen, CH3 hydrogen. Then in the next step, this Br atom attacks from the opposite side. Okay, there are again two possibilities, this 1 and 2. When it is attacking from this side, then the molecule is obtained in which, so I will write in a straight line. So when this is attacked from downside, so let us, this is a second carbon atom, I will write second carbon atom over here. So Br has attacked from this side, so Br, okay. Then this is the hydrogen atom, so this hydrogen atom I will write to this side, and here it is CH3, okay. So this is the one, or you can write CH3 over here and hydrogen over here. Then second molecule, second carbon atom, Br is from opposite side, so Br and hydrogen and CH3. In this way we get stereochemistry of this molecule is, this is erythro, 3O with respect to each other, but because Br atoms are to opposite side of each other. So this cis-2-butene, this gives a mixture of stereoisomers in which HBr, and here there is BRH and CH3. Okay, simply this is the these are the compounds obtained. Means this is DL mixture, means optically active. These are optically active DL, so they are having different stereochemistry. But if we get trans molecule, then it will be attacking from the opposite side to bromine atom, but at the end the meso compound is obtained. That means what is meso compound? The compound in which there is a mirror plane. So mirror plane means what? So Br, though Br attacks from opposite side, you will see that the CH3 groups are towards the opposite side, hydrogen atoms are towards the opposite side. So when Br attacks from the opposite side, then they are returned from over here like this in the final molecule, and that's why this will give the meso product. Now here there is a mirror plane, so upper half of the molecule is exactly mirror image of lower half, and that's why this is called as mirror plane, and therefore this compound gives a meso compound. So cis and trans, these are distereoisomers of each other. These are also distereoisomers of each other. 1 2 3, these two and this one are distereoisomers of each other, which are not mirror images. So that's why this reaction of bromination of alkene is distereospecific reaction. Stereochemistry of the reactant decides the stereochemistry of the product, and hence bromination is distereospecific reaction. Now this is showed over here, the exact mechanism. See, this is the trans molecule. Bromine is forming a cyclic bromonium ion when Br attacks from this side. So this is the product form which can be written. So see, Br has attacked from here, so it is over here now, and this Br, it is over here. Now this can be written in Sauer's production formula like this. So this is the first carbon atom. So to bring CH3 up, this is rotated by this angle. So here it has come, this will come to this Br, it will come to this side. So this is CH3 BrH, and similarly in this CH3, H is towards this side and Br towards this side. So it will give us a trans compound will give the meso product. So meso, because there is a mirror plane, so from opposite side it will look like this. So it is giving mirror plane, and therefore this is trans gives meso, and cis, this cis will be giving DL molecule, which I have showed you over here how this is attacking, how it is formed, and that's why this reaction is a stereoselective reaction as well as stereospecific. Now why stereoselective reaction? Stereoselective because the reactions in which the product has different stereoisomers like this 1 2 3 4, and any one of the stereoisomer is selectively formed. So that is means it is either meso or DL product. So that's why any one of the product is selectively formed. Now it doesn't have any relation with the stereochemistry of the reactant, stereoselective reaction. So that's why this is stereoselective reaction. And you see, all stereoselective reactions may be stereospecific reaction, because stereospecific reaction has a condition of this stereochemistry of the reactant decides the stereochemistry of the product. So here all stereospecific reactions are stereoselective, but all stereoselective reactions cannot be stereospecific reaction. That is the stereochemistry of this alkenes addition of bromine to